The magic of black. Have you ever wondered why is black always the gold? Black is always in fashion. Well, this is not the fashion channel, but in fact the use of black is so prominent in every remedy, in every astrology, numerology or the vastu space. About to share the magical hack of the color black. Stay with me. Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani. Welcome to Invincible Passion Talk Show. The color black. As I started to plan this episode, came across some interesting things and I thought, why not share with you all? Before I share, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss the episodes that I release here every Wednesday and Sunday. Now, color black. Let's follow. This channel I have been sharing with you conversations based on numerology, your birth numbers, astrology, vastu, directional use, with some tips and tricks and hacks and predictions and remedies to bring the success in your life. Color black is what I usually relate to number 8 and planet Saturn. Saturn is the judge in life that gives you the balance. Whatever karma one does, when you're getting the results, that is, know that your Saturn is active. If you're struggling and you keep saying, I work so hard, I don't know why I have to work so hard. Well, something you don't remember. We all carry our karmas. Black. As the child born, it's always said that to avoid the black eye or the green eye, wear a black thread in your hand or wear a black thread on your ankle. Black in the neck. So when used appropriately, this black, the logic is the same, works magic. If you are struggling with health issues and you have tied a lot, immediately take a black thread. Take a black thread and you can tie that black thread on your knee. So, and if you think when you put the black thread on your knee, left or right, doesn't matter, it will slip off. The color black, take a black dot pen or a Sharpie, put a pea size or a small chickpea size dot behind your knee. If you're struggling with health, it will stop the issues. It will slow down the issues. Guess why? Because black is Saturn, very, very slow. Another way, same black, if you are wearing, it will slow down your progress in life, right? Black, usually, yes, it's just you cannot avoid black, but you can by not overdoing it. You can minimize the use. You don't always have to be dressed all in black. Black is always in fashion. Yes, it's gold. But how much are you using it? This scarf has black in it. How much am I using it? Mindful of color orange. The black. Try not to overdo the color black because somehow you'll activate Saturn and your own delays in your life, and then you will say, what just happened? I was in the meeting, things were going fine, and suddenly now it fizzled out. If you are the one who thinks, or you who work so hard and you're like, my work is almost done, I got the project, it should be, in the last minute it fizzles out. Are you using too black? Is your wardrobe all black, or is your house just feels dark and spooky? Avoid color black in your decor as much as possible. Guess what? When you walk into a room that is dark, it makes you feel heavy. You want to just run away. If you walk into a room that has light colors, suddenly you feel light and vibrant and energetic. Black is a therapy as well for depression to come out. Surround yourself by people who have positive mindset that will be automatically eliminating black or the negativity from your life. Struggling with the health issues, as I just shared, you can use. And if you feel that you stepping out for some important meeting or a deal which you worked very hard and which you really want to close. If you want to close, then as you step out, the color black. Carry the black pen with you. When you are out and about for signing important document, important meeting, carry the color black dot pen, but do not use it to sign. If the work gets done, at that point when you take the black new pen with you, you are activating and avoiding delays and bringing whatever delays are there. It's like you are always ready, you're taking care of your health to avoid the sickness. This is where the magical hack of color black. Take the black pen if you're about to go signing the important documents, buying that house and you want it to go smooth, no delays. Take out a new black pen, take it with you, keep it in your purse. Once the deal gets done and it's closed smoothly, then take that pen. Once you got that pen then put in recycling. I know this is waste. 8. Lot of times people go to temple, someone takes their slippers away or shoes. They go to Gurudwara or church and they say, I often lose my slippers. Rahu and Shani is active, Saturn is active. That means something is about to happen that was avoided. Misfortune when it gets stolen, but again and again. And if there is a delay, here comes the color black remedy. On Saturdays, if you're really struggling for some issue for long, go to a church or Gurudwara or mosque, whichever form you believe. You can offer black blankets to an old age home. That will help you. Genuinely with good intention. Or you can donate to the temple or Gurudwara or mosque black iron skillet if you see you have been struggling with money, relationship or health or job for some long time. Now this is the magic black. When you step out of the house for important deals, how you use. If you feel the black or green eye, how to use on your knee. If you're struggling for long financial, health or emotional or relationship issues, how to donate the black in the form of black skillet or black blanket. Avoid wearing too much black for many reasons. Another one powerful remedy. The black brings delay. Avoid. And if you feel drawn to black, try to use blue and light blue. This is where you will harness the blessings of number 8 rather than activating the negative part of number 8. It absolutely works, especially on Saturdays. If you are out and about, you feel like everything in your wardrobe or your taste is drawn towards black. Avoid in the house the color black and dark color decors. Use light blue. You will activate suddenly this number 8 in the form of blessings. Now, another powerful tip. Before I share, I would really like to hear what your thoughts are. How have you been using black and has it brought you delays? This powerful remedy. Black is used in everyday life. Just cannot avoid your utensils, your clothing, one way or the other. Yes, because it's easy to clean, whatever way. Black is water. Like in vastu, the water we use blue-black. In the north, if you keep this black, blue, dark blue or black color, flowing water, not stale, not as stagnant. Think of the water flow. If you have kept, then the germs get into. The water has stopped, the money flow has stopped. If you have something black or dark blue, the same in north, that will activate your north and the money flow. It all depends how you're using color black. But after this episode, I'm sure you know very well how to use this magical hack of color black. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel, and I am curious to know till now, how have you used black in your life? Specifically, if you're wearing too much of black, or there was a phase in life where you would just use black in everything you wear. Yes, in some cultures, black is lucky. or you wear black, or because of dress, if you are a lawyer or your profession, it's black, you have to. But you can wear the shirts which is not black. When it's your work, yes, you can't avoid. But then after the work you have choice, or you have choice to wear the light color shirts, isn't it? It all depends how creative you get to use this color black. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family, and I'll see you soon.